Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the increase in the toll rates. Now, a class 1 vehicle is going to pay on average about $20 more to go through every toll plaza on the east-west leg of Highway 2000. This is the Trans-Jamaica Highway toll plazas. The ones at Portmore, Spanish Town, Maypen, and Vineyards. So, do you guys notice that every year in July the toll goes up? Every year. Now, this is because when the concession agreements were being done up, in the concession agreement it states that the concessionaire can get a rate increase every year. Now, there are certain factors that determine the amount, but they are entitled to a rate increase every year, and it would take effect in July, the beginning of July. So, guys, what do you think about this? Now, let's talk about the concession agreement. When this road was to be built, this is Highway 2000 east-west leg, takes you from Kingston to Maypen, and that section is finished. Sorry, it's Mandeville. That section is finished, although for some reason the Maypen to Mandeville leg is not collecting toll right now. But the highway is going to go from Kingston to Montego Bay and then from Kingston to Negril. It will split off in St. Elizabeth. One leg goes to Montego Bay, one leg goes to Negril. Now, these are first world quality roads. You will not find a pothole on these roads. They are built to a different standard. They are maintained to a different standard. Excellent roads. Job well done. However, these roads are expensive. There is no local contractor in Jamaica that can build a road like this. So you have to bring in foreign contractors. And as we said a while ago, these roads are expensive. So what the government did, and I think it was, you guys let me know what you think about this arrangement. They brought in foreign companies, massive contractors. Like China Harbour Engineering Company is the 5th largest contractor in the world. And they said, build a road, you pay for it, we'll guarantee it. And I don't even think they give guarantees anymore, I'm not sure. But you build a road, you pay for it, and we'll give you a concession to collect the toll on the road for 35 years with this road, 50 years with the one to Ocho Rios. And during that period, you can collect the toll on the road and use that to pay back for building the road. So that's where this concession agreement comes in. So the toll that you pay when you go through the plaza is actually to pay back for the building of the road and maintenance, So that is why every year, according to the concession agreement, they can increase the rates of the toll. Because with prices of everything going up, they have to maintain a certain amount of money every year to pay back for the building of the road. Now, guys, let us know what you think about the concession agreements. Now, this was back in 2000, and I think this road opened early 2000s. Since then, Jamaica has built roads like the Southern Coastal Highway that are not toll roads. But these roads, Highway 2000, are toll roads. And the agreement for this road, this is the east-west leg, is 35 years. And they have the option to increase it for another 35 years. All of that is in the agreement signed. The concession agreement was signed and the roads built. So I don't think there's any way to change it unless they buy it out. I'm not sure. But that is why the toll rate goes up every year, because of these concession agreements. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below.